what do I do to protect myself? It just is not just about protecting my own energy, it's also about protecting my own thoughts into feeding something which I do not want to feed. So this is what I do. When I watch a movie or I consume something else from the matrix, the false matrix system, whatever you call it, what I do is that I just relax, I sit, I take some breaths, and I imagine all of those things. Let's see, I watched a movie. So I imagine all of that movie inside my mind, and I allow that all of those thoughts of my own while watching that movie, all of those energy which I felt while watching the movie, all of what I accepted it subconsciously, whatever, or consciously, all of those scenes, all of it, I just remove from my own mind. I visualize all of those things going to the source, because source, God, accepts everything that you give, and this is just an experience that I have, so it will be accepted. I do it for a while, and yeah, basically I have no thoughts. So what happens with me after I watch a movie is that I do not think about it. It happens consciously as well as in my subconscious mind. Yeah, in the subconscious state there might still be a few things about that movie that's still there, but I try to remove myself. I snap my fingers and I just remove my thoughts from it. I do not like to feed in the movie that I watched after watching it, because I find it insane. I just had an experience and it was good. Like, I do not want to think about it. And that's why I do not even remember the scenes and things. Like, it's not there in my mind. I like to keep things clean in myself, and this is how I clean myself. This is one of the ways I do it. This practice that I do is also a form of meditation practice. In a certain meditation you actually remove your thoughts, whatever you are creating, and send to the source, to the God. And I think it is the same way in which I do this when I consume something. I wanted to share because it might help people who struggle while being in the spiritual field, and also consuming, like, because we are humans, right? We want to have certain experiences, but still not be feeding into those experiences. So this is one manner in which you can have the experience but not feed that experience. And yeah, it's good.